We're here in Atlanta, the seat of the civil rights movement. We're starting our tour today at the National Center of Civil and Human Rights. Then we'll head over to the MLK Center and other iconic locations right here in Atlanta. Then we'll hit the road. Come join us on the AAA EV Road Tour.
Make sure you charge your EV outside of the National Center for Civil and Human Rights while you're there. Atlanta is also one of the most EV-friendly cities in the country, with nearly 30,000 battery-powered vehicles on the road. Charging your EV in Metro Atlanta has never been easier, with more than 5,000 public charging stations scattered throughout the area.
So here we are in Macon. This is the second stop on our AAA EV Road Tour. Looking forward to visiting the Harriet Tubman Museum, the Otis Redding Museum, and the Douglas Theater. And of course, we won't miss the soul food here in Macon, which is known for its excellent cuisine.
Going from almost empty battery to 80% can take 20 minutes to more than 8 hours, depending on the type of charger you use. It goes without saying that you want to use the fastest compatible charger possible when you're on the go.
We made it. We're here in Columbus, Georgia at the Visit Columbus offices. We're looking forward to this third stop on our AAA EV road trip. And we're looking forward to everything that Columbus has to offer, everything from the 1828 cemetery to the Ma Rainey House. We're ready to go.
A quick calculation of your estimated range and charging speed will let you know if you can make it to each stop as planned. Charging apps will show you compatible charges on the way to your destination and help you pick the best route.
It's a beautiful day in Savannah, Georgia. We're here at the Owens Thomas House and Slave Quarters. Then we'll head over to the Savannah African American Museum. This is the fourth stop on the AAA EV Road Tour. It's going to be a great day.
From historic landmarks like the Martin Luther King National Historical Site in Atlanta to the bustling metropolis of Charleston, where the International African American Museum is open for all to see, these states' rich histories offer a powerful backdrop for understanding the enduring struggle for civil rights. Meanwhile, the promotion of EVs and sustainable transportation in these areas symbolizes the commitment to a greener future and more equitable mobility.
We're back home in Atlanta at the King Center. We hope that you enjoyed the AAA EV Road Tour across the beautiful state of Georgia.